Hello students, let's try to understand derivation of the nearest equation. Student, I have selected this equation. If you talk about general equation, I'm not selecting simple zinc. I am taking student. Zinc is converting into Zn2 plus student, and then it is salt bridge. Here you can see copper 2 plus is converting into copper, right? Keep in mind student, here is what is that is the oxidation student, oxidation, and this is going to be reduction. It means this one is what going to be oxidation half cell student, oxidation half cell. This is the first one. What about this one student? This is going to be reduction half cell, reduction half cell. So these two things are there that we have to understand. Now for if you are writing student for oxidation half cell, for oxidation, so how can you write the nearest equation student for the particular oxidation? If you are talking about the E cell is equal to student E cell, so what going to be E cell here? Okay, so here zinc is zinc, we have to always consider to be the reduction Zn2 plus 2 Zn equal to how the it is given by the nearest student E naught, it is going to be Zn2 plus upon Zn, this is there, minus RT upon it is going to be NF log. Okay, so log we cannot take student in the beginning because here the natural log I am taking, so it is ln. What is student? It is the ion is converting student, so 1 upon here what we can say take student Zn2 plus ion. Okay, why we are taking the 1 upon student? Because here the solid is there, na, that is why. Okay, in the term of reduction, this become the product. Okay, SRP, this become product, and zinc is, this is the solid one, this solid, and solid value how much student? It is going to be 1. This is the aqueous, only we have to take the aqueous student, and this is solids. Now this equation is going to be 1. Now the second one is for reduction. So for reduction means cathode half cell student, how can you write? So E copper 2 plus upon copper equal to E naught copper 2 plus upon copper student minus RT upon NF student, RT upon NF, it is going to be ln 1 upon Cu2 plus ion student, right? This is equation number 2. And we know student E cell is equal to what? That is E cathode minus anode, E cathode minus anode, that is E cathode minus E anode. So which is going to be cathode? This is the going to be cathode student, reduction means cathode. So this equation you write first. So here E cell is equal to cathode, I am writing student, what is the cathode? E, no, you can write that is cathode, for this is this value we are writing student at the place of cathode, or you can write E Cu2 plus upon Cu minus anode E, it is going to be Zn2 plus upon Zn. So what is the value of E Cu2 plus upon Cu student? This value you need to write. So let us write student, what is this one? E naught, this is going to be Cu2 plus upon Cu, this is minus RT upon NF, right student? Here is going to be ln 1 upon Cu2 plus student, minus, what is the minus student? This is the anode value. What is this? Is the anode value upper one student. So how can you write student? Here E naught Zn2 plus, right student, upon Zn minus RT upon NF, here is ln 1 upon Zn student, Zn2 plus molar concentration. So this is what the, now what we are going to take student, this term we are taking E naught cell copper, and here this we are taking, these two terms we are taking. So E cell is equal to what you can get here, E naught Cu2 plus upon Cu minus E naught Zn2 plus upon Zn, minus what are left student, RT upon NF, okay, ln 1 upon Cu2 plus this is the left one, minus, let it be in the bracket, what is there, minus RT upon NF as it is ln 1 upon Zn 2 plus. So these are the answer, student, right? Now see, this value, student, this value E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So what is the going to be, student? This is going to be E naught cell, right? This is total is E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, minus what we are going to get, student, another terms. You see, we can take the common things, we have to take, student, common things. So let's firstly do the some calculation, student. Let us break out the sign here. So RT upon NF, here is RT upon, it is NF ln 1 upon Cu2 plus, student, then minus minus plus, it is going to be plus RT upon NF, it is going to be ln 1 upon Zn 2 plus, right? Now, student, so RT upon NF and RT upon NF we are taking common. So E naught cell minus RT upon NF we have taken. So what is left out, student? What is left out? So if you see, so ln 1 upon Cu2 plus minus ln 1 upon Zn 2 plus. Now you will ask, student, why, how this negative sign came? Because negative I have taken the common, student. So negative into multiply by negative, it will become automatically positive. So this is, अब log a minus b, student, you must be knowing ln a minus b is equal to ln a by b. So this formula we are going to use, student, in this case. Let us wait, student. So here E naught cell is equal to what, student? RT upon NF. Let it be RT upon NF. Here is what are there, student? So ln. So ln it is there. So 1 upon Cu2 plus upon 1 upon Zn 2 plus. This is there, student, right? So these two things are there. Now, student, you must be in simple method A by B, C by D. So what is the simple? Is AD upon what is, student? BC. AD upon BC. So whatever there is denominator, student, this is going to be numerator. So E naught cell is equal to minus RT upon NF ln, what is going to be, Zn 2 plus upon what is, student? Copper 2 plus. This is there. Now the next things you see, student, ln is equal to 2.303 log. This is okay. So this factor we are going to change. So here E cell is equal to E naught cell as it is, minus R value is 8.314 multiply by T is equal to 298, right? And here is, it will be 2.303, and now it become the log, student, divided by n. Let it be like that. F is equal to 96,500. Log here will be there is Zn 2 plus, student, going to be Zn 2 plus divided by copper 2 plus. These many ions we have taken, student, right? Now what we are going to do after doing calculation, student, here we can do the calculation. So if you are calculating this all by putting this all the values, student, so how much answer you are going to get? So E naught cell is equal to, it is coming 0.0591 upon n, and log it is going to be what, oxidation Zn 2 plus, student, divided by Cu2 plus. So E cell, if you are calculating, student, it is coming the Nernst equation we can derive like that, student. So this is all about going to be the answer, student. I hope it will be easy to you to understand, student. Thank you so much for watching, students.